Good morning everybody. Today for lunch let us make arbi ki sabji. Arbi is a very tasty delicious root and it is extremely tasty. Today we will make it in the Indian way with masalas. We'll deep fry it and then add masalas to it and make it in gravy so that we can have it with steamed rice. First of all, take 250 grams of arbi and wash it thoroughly and then remove the skin and peel it into round pieces like this. Now put this in water and let all the stickiness, starch come out of it, and then remove it in a plate and add all the masalas to this. Now drain out all the water. Let it dry for 3 to 4 minutes and then add salt as per taste, dhania powder, jeera, this is roasted jeera, haldi. Mix it all up nicely on each and every piece and cover it and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. While we have covered the masala on arbi and kept it aside, let us prepare other masalas, the wet masala. So for wet masala I require 3 tomatoes. Since my onions are small, so I am taking 3 small onions, 2 to 3 pieces of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger. Now to make the main masala which is going to give it nice aroma and taste, I am going to make garam masala. In that I will add tej patta, dalchini, lavang, javitri, jaifal, anise star, then red chilies, akhi wali, sabut, green elaichi, cardamom, then mungfali ke dane. This is kachi groundnut, which I will roast all this in a pan and then grind it to powder and strain it and use the powder to give it nice aroma and taste to the gravy. Soak arbi in water for 10 to 15 minutes so that all the stickiness comes out of it. So you can see it is very sticky. The starch, it all gets out of it, and then drain it in a channi and then apply all the spices. We will make arbi in mustard oil. Usually arbi and karela are made in mustard oil. It gives it a better taste. It tastes very good. And the bhajiyas also, when we make pakoras, that is also usually fried in, deep fried in mustard oil. So I am taking this mustard oil and I am going to put it in a pan and deep fry the arbi pieces. First of all, heat up the oil properly. Let the smoke come out of it. Only then the smell will go. Otherwise you will get that mustard ka smell. Kacha smell aayega. So then put little bit of salt to see whether it is done. Once you feel that yes, the oil is nicely hot and ready, then you add the arbi pieces. It's giving out smoke. See, it is ready. So now it is ready to fry the arbi pieces. I have added the arbi pieces. It is fluttering because of all the masalas that are there in it. It will settle down in 2-3 minutes. Keep the flame medium, don't keep it high. Keep on moving it, stirring it until the pieces become light brown. While the arbi is getting fried, let us make this wet masala. The tomatoes, ginger, garlic, I am going to make it into paste. I have ground to paste the tomatoes and onion and ginger and garlic. Keep this aside. The arbi pieces are also ready. Remove them. Take a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to this. I am using sarson ka tel. You can use any other cooking oil if you want, if you don't like the taste of mustard. Now the oil is as it is hot because I had used this for deep frying. So I have taken the same oil, 1 tablespoon. To this I am going to add tej patta, which I will not be grinding with the other masala. 1 piece of dalchini, cinnamon stick, anise seed, jaifal, badi elaichi. Open it up and add it to the masala. Roast all this and then add the wet masala to this. Now add the paste to this, ginger, garlic, tomato, onion paste. While the wet masala is getting roasted until it leaves the oil and turns little brown, keep on stirring it on slow flame. I can make the powder, the garam masala powder. First roast it on a pan and then grind it to powder. I will be roasting all this and then on a plain pan, no oil, nothing, and then I am going to grind it to powder. We usually roast the masala before grinding because it is easier to grind, plus it gives out a better aroma and taste. It becomes more crispy and tasty, roasted masala. Now what all I have taken in this is the red chilies, lavang, dalchini, one small piece, choti ilaichi, and one badi ilaichi. I have peeled it up and only taken the seeds, and mungfali ke dane. This is garam masala, a little bit of degi mirchi, that is Kashmiri chili powder, I am going to add so that it gives it a nice red color. Keep on roasting it. The dry masala with groundnut paste I have added to the fried pieces of arbi. Indian foods use a lot of masalas. It is famous for its spices. This is going to be a very lovely sabji with lot of aroma and very tikha also, because I have added 3 to 4 red chilies, 1 green chili and red chili powder. You can reduce in case you can't eat so much tikha, but it tastes yummy with steamed rice. Masala is getting nice and ready. I can get the aroma, so I will add the arbi pieces and the groundnut paste with this. Mix it up and then add a glass of water to make it into gravy. Since we are going to eat this with steamed rice, so I am putting 1.5 glass water and keeping it covered on medium flame for 5 to 10 minutes. The gravy is ready. Now I will add 1 teaspoon of gur to this to bring down the spicy effect and to make it little more delicious. That gives it a nice khatta, meetha, tikha taste. Keep it on slow gas for another 2 to 3 minutes and then put off the gas, and it is ready to serve. I will sprinkle little kasuri methi on this. This is kasuri methi, that is dry methi. I am going to sprinkle this. Methi suits better than coriander leaves to this gravy. So my gravy is ready. My rice is getting ready. I have kept it to boil. Let the whole thing get ready, then I will plate it. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Enjoy your lunch. Let me know how it is. It's a very yummy, tasty arbi ki sabji in tikhi, khatti, meethi gravy. Thank you so much. Enjoy this khatti, meethi, tikhi arbi ki sabji in tikhi gravy with lot of groundnuts in it. You will really enjoy this sabji when you eat it with steamed rice. It's a very yummy lunch item. You can even take it in the lunch box when you go to the office. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And have a good day. Enjoy Sunday. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for watching my video. Enjoy this lunch with arbi in gravy and steamed rice and little bit of mirch ka achar. Thanks a lot. Enjoy Sunday. Have a good day. Keep safe and do not forget to wear a mask and do get vaccinated when your turn comes. Thank you very much. God bless you all.